Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to adjust these harness straps for a infant car seat. I think this is really important to know how to do, especially if you're in childcare and you're dealing with different types of car seats. So this is the Graco SnugRide 30 Click Connect car seat, and it has 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-point harness seat. And yeah, I have this crooked, so good thing I'm going to fix this for you guys. So the first thing I have is to examine the car seat. So like I said, this is 4 points. So you have 4 options to adjust. You have this crotch strap that I call it. And then generally right here is a button, if you can feel it. And this loosens those straps, okay? So because this is so thickly padded, if that's even English, the button, I have to go through like this and find it. And it's right here, so you can hear that sound. Next thing is you want to flip it over and just examine the back. So luckily Graco, its little feeders are very wide. It's got the extra little plate there that honestly I don't even know who uses. I think it's to add more slack, I'm not sure. And then you've got the straps down here, and this is what you're going to be messing with the most. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is find that crotch button. I'm going to slide my fingers through on mine, since that's what I have to do. You're going to push it down and pull the harness straps forward so you get a lot of slack. Okay, so I'm pushing down. I have the harness straps here. I'm going to pull them forward so I get a lot of slack. And I can't go any further than this. Then what I'm going to do is turn the car seat around, and I'm going to remove the straps from the plate right here. So, just going to remove it. It's a little bit difficult because they do have little, it's like a little hook, but you'll be able to get it through. Eventually. Okay, really? Why is it this one? All the time. It's always this one that never wants to go through. Okay, so it's disconnected. And then you're going to flip the car seat over, and you're just going to pull these until they come through. Okay? You want to make sure that it's all straight, that nothing is crooked like I had it earlier. And then you're going to pick the point where you need to adjust the car seat, adjust the straps. So this is all straight now. I'm going to go down to the second notch, which is right here, and I'm going to feed it through. Now, some car seats, because the back like feeder isn't wide enough, some of them you have to take off the canopy, which is this thing up here, this gray thing, and you need to remove the actual car seat cover a little bit to properly feed it through. Luckily with this car seat I don't have to do that, so it saves me a headache. So I'm going to take my strap, make sure it's straight, and I'm just going to feed it through here. And I'm feeding it through. And I'm going to do that on the other side, and I'll give you guys a close-up. Alright, so I'm going to take this strap, make sure it is straight. You want the clip to be out. Luckily, Graco has a logo on theirs. You want to make sure this part is facing out, so the bulge is facing out. And then just double check to make sure it's straight. And then feed it through. Just like so. Okay, so now that it is fed through, and I'm double checking to make sure it is straight and not crooked or anything, which it is. It's nice and straight. Okay. I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to pull these straps that are up here down so it meets this part. Okay, so it's down now. And now this car seat has two little hooks on the back of the harness straps. So there's one here and there's one up here. For this, I believe I can go on the first loop and be okay. So I'm just going to feed this through like so. There we go. And now you can see everything's loose back here, so we need to tighten it. So you flip the car seat over again, and you pull on this crotch strap until it's good. So I'm going to move these down a little bit, the chest plate. And it's good. It's nice and tight right now. If I need more slack, obviously, to get the baby in, I'm going to press down on that crotch buckle and pull these forward like so. So again, I'm going to tighten like this. This is as far as I can go. To loosen it and get more slack, I'm going to press down on that crotch buckle right here, and I'm going to pull forward like that. So that's how you do it, you guys. Like I said, I think this is just really important to know how to do, especially if you're in childcare and you're dealing with, you know, a bunch of different car seats and whatnot. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to know how to properly install this in a car, I do have a video of that too on my channel that you can look for. I think I'll also link it somewhere in this video. And I hope that this was helpful, and let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see that are childcare related. I do childcare videos, braces videos, acting videos, / theater videos. So if any of that interests you, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I post every single weekend, and be sure to turn on your bell for notifications. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!